In this tutorial I will show you how to see your repost on TikTok app. First open the TikTok app. So for example I will repost this video now. I will tap on the share button and select repost. And now this video is reposted on my TikTok account. Now to find the video that I have reposted, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you need to tap on this repost button. And as you can see, here is the video that I reposted previously. So that is how you can see your reposts on the TikTok app.